When we look at light, most of us just see brightness. Sir Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman saw questions. Born on November 7, 1888, in Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu, to Tamil parents, Father Chandrasekhara Iyer, a physics lecturer, and Mother Parvati Ammal, Raman filled his notebooks with waves, colors, and numbers. Long before he even stepped into a big laboratory, he excelled at St. Aloysius Anglo-Indian High School, then passed the BA degree examination at the age of 15 in 1904 at Presidency College, Madras, winning first place and gold medals in English and physics. He went ahead and took his MA degree in 1907 at the age of 18, again topping the class with record marks. Research in the modern sciences was quite unknown in India in those days, but young Raman, at the age of 16, and while still being a student in the MA class, was able to publish a paper in the prestigious journal, the Philosophical Magazine, London, thus delving into acoustics like violin vibrations and whispering galleries. Years later, in a lab at the Indian Association for Cultivation of Science in Kolkata, he continued exploring the world of light. Earlier, in 1921, while returning from England to India, aboard the SS Narkunda, he had pondered over why sea water sparkled deep blue. This led to his classic paper, The Molecular Scattering of Light in Water and the Color of the Sea. During one of his experiments, when C.V. Raman put light through a transparent medium like benzene, most rays scattered unchanged, but a tiny fraction emerged with a new color. It was indicated by a slight shift in frequency. This happened because a few photons had interacted with the medium's molecules. Some photons gained energy from molecular vibrations, while others lost energy. The interesting thing is that the amount of gain or loss depends upon the medium. This phenomenon, known as the Raman effect, was announced by him on the 28th of February 1928. For this outstanding discovery, he received the Nobel Prize in Physics in the year 1930. Raman's idea grew from chalkboard equations. He founded the Raman Research Institute in Bengaluru to pursue his scientific interests. Raman moved there immediately after his term at the Indian Institute of Science. He worked in this institute till his last breath. The Raman effect principle is used in drug development, material science, forensics, mineralogy, geology, archaeology conservation, and is thus useful in many aspects of our lives. Even the principle of the Raman effect is used on the Mars rover to analyze the Martian surface for organic compounds, mineralogy, and potential biosignatures. To commemorate Raman's path-breaking research, in the year 1987, the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, declared the 28th of February as National Science Day. The aim was to motivate students to do science and make our lives better through innovations. The theme chosen for this year's National Science Day is Women in Science, Catalyzing Vikasit Bharat, which aptly reflects the national commitment to women-led science, innovation and leadership. If one beam of light could change the world for C.V. Raman, what could your question change next? Jai Hind, Jai Vigyan, Jai Anusandhan.